Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and I have some fabulous new ink pads in front of me. So we have expanded our range, our elements range, to some beautiful new colours. So we have Lemon Drop, we have Soft Signet, we have Pink Elephant, we have Pixie Green, we have Flying Fig, Spun Candy and Green Parrot. So 7 fabulous new colours that I have had a little play with this evening, and I must say the colours are beautiful. They're so vibrant. I've got a couple of swatches that I did here earlier. So this is your Lemon Drop, your Spun Candy, your Pink Elephant, you've got Signet, you've got, which one's this? This was the darker green, which is the Pixie Green, and then we've got Green Parrot, and we have Flying Fig. And you can see how luscious are those. Okay, so I am going to make a quick crafts now. I'm going to create this lovely little card. So quick and easy using some of our new colours. So let's put these aside and get started. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you love the colours as much as I do. Take care. Bye for now.